Hey there, it's Riddhima. Today let's discuss the idiom move the needle. Ever heard this is in a meeting? Let's break it down. Move the needle means to make a noticeable impact or bring about significant change. It's often used when discussing efforts that led to measurable progress. Imagine your marketing team has been trying various tactics to increase brand awareness with little success. Then a social media campaign goes viral, leading to a substantial uptick in engagement. You might say this campaign really moved the needle of a brand presence. This underscores the campaign's significant impact. If this idiom added value to your vocabulary, please like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in my next episode.